How to download and install Sims 4 on Android. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we will be talking about if we can download and install Sims 4 on Android or not. So let's find out. So first thing, just head over to Play Store and simply searching for Sims 4 application just like this. So once you're searching for that, as you can see, there is no directly option available to download this official Sims 4 application, but instead we have this Sims Free Play, which is pretty similar to that original application but not also directly like the original application. So if you are using Android device just like me, you can actually try out this game if you don't have direct access to the Sims 4. So unfortunately you don't get to play Sims 4 official game directly on your Android device because it's only available for the platforms such as Windows or Xbox or consoles such as PS5. So you can actually download it via the third-party websites, which I do not recommend because of the unwanted viruses. So you can actually come over here in this website of Electronic Arts and you can download it, but for only the platforms such as this as shown on your screen. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.